welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you are watching Domestic Diva. Today I am participating in a Look for Less challenge hosted by Yami from Latina Next Door and Natalie from Design to the Nines. If you're not familiar with their channels, they will be linked down below, and if you are coming over from their channels, checking out the playlist, which will also be linked down below, welcome. I hope you stick around. So I am doing this the second time. I had recorded a very nice video with all the instructions and went to edit it and somehow managed to delete the intro and the instructional video with just a couple clips at the end left over. So I really wanted to share this video with you because I was so happy with the way this turned out, and for under $4 versus $69 that it was at Crate and Barrel, Pottery Barn. So this is the item that I'm trying to replicate, and this is what mine looks like. So I will show you again now. So the materials that I'm using for this project are, I have picked up this blanket for $4 at Dollarama, and you can check out my Dollarama haul that I posted a couple weeks ago, and they have these fluffy blankets, really nice and soft, for $4. I have picked up two. One is in my decor and one I thought I make the pillow. Then the next material that I'm going to use is this old curtain that I've had from, I didn't like the loops on it, it didn't really work well, so I kept it for just different projects, and hot glue gun. And that's it. So I'm going to get started. First thing, I'm gonna cut out all my materials. So I have my dark fabric and I've cut out some letters and I'm gonna trace them on. My letters are all cut out, and now I'm going to get my pillow cut out, form cut out. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to measure this material. And I'm doing the folded side. Doesn't have to be perfect as long as the folded side is good. Now I'm gonna turn it this way so the soft sides are inside. Make sure it lines up somewhat. Just marking off my middle. So I'm going to glue this here. And I'm using my less hot glue so I don't get burnt. cut out one extra one, and you can still use it on here as well. I'm not sure if I will or not yet. And now I'm going to close it, fold it, and close it. So I'm gonna put my hot glue and then fold it. And then for this one, because I wanted to be able to put my pillow in, I am going to just give a little corners. If you were stuffing the pillow, I would suggest do more of a closure, and then you stuff your pillow and then you can close it. I'm just going to leave it like this, and then put the pillow in and then go from there. Okay, so I turned it inside out, and I'm going to glue down the letters. You kind of want to center them. Okay, so I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to put the pillow inside of it and show you what it looks like. Well, here they both are, just so you see the size difference. So that's the original one, and this is the one that I just made, and I love them both. I think they look really great, and they're going to be a great addition to my decor. And both of them, I still have blanket material left over for maybe another little project, and I already did one other project using that blanket just for a heart, so that $4 have gone a long way. So I would say these two pillows have cost me under $5 to make versus what the regular price of them at Pottery Barn is. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out Yami's channel and Natalie's channel down below, as well as the playlist. I love participating in this challenge. You end up with a ton of great ideas. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love for you to consider subscribing. I do tons of DIYs on my channel, as well as some cooking and cleaning. So I'm sure you'll find something for you as well, and I will be sharing tons of Valentine's decor for next week or so. So make sure you turn that notification bell so you don't miss out any of those uploads. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.